How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to look at how to check the brake fluid level and how to add brake fluid to a 2015 to 2020 F-150. So to start things off, you're going to want to go on the driver's side, pull your hood latch lever, get that hood opened. All right, now once you have your hood open, you can locate your master cylinder. It's going to be right over here on the driver's side. It's going to have markings, max, minimum, and mine is sitting right below the max, so we're going to need to add just a little bit of brake fluid. All right, so what you're going to want to do, pop this cap off here, counterclockwise obviously, but make sure your gasket doesn't come off there. Throw that back in there, and all you're going to do is take your brake fluid. I'm using Motorcraft 4, and just fill it up to your max line, and you are good to go. So add a little bit here, and take a microfiber towel, clean up any mess you made. This stuff can be pretty corrosive, so make sure it's not underneath paint. Good to go down there. Get it all cleaned up. So your gasket's back on there. Tighten it up, verify it's at the max, and that's it.